Hello everyone, I am Pragya and I, on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. And here I will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters, and in a short way learn how to make a whole new process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. Today the chapter that I will be covering is flowers. It's from the UP Board Class 1 Chapter 4 subject English, and the name of the innovative idea that I will be using today for covering this lesson is known as theme based attendance. So, have you ever heard about theme based attendance? What is theme based attendance and how it is different from a normal attendance? Okay. Normally, we take attendance in the class, and it is the only period throughout the class which is considered as the most unproductive. So, with the help of theme based attendance, we can convert that period into a productive one. So let's see how do we do that. During this process, the students, instead of saying present sir or present ma'am, she will have to say a certain word from the theme selected for the day. The concepts that we'll be covering with the help of this innovation is name of flowers. For this, we instruct the students in the following manner. We inform the students that today, when we are going to take the attendance from you, instead of saying present sir, present ma'am, you will have to say the name of a flower from the chapter flowers. Also, a very important point to note here is that before implementing this idea, we should have already completed the building, reading, and explaining part of the chapter, because this innovation is only for revising the concept. The duration for the implementation of this innovation is based on the assumption that the pupil to teacher ratio is 30 is to 1, which normally takes around 10 to 15 minutes. But it can also be as per your requirement, because it will vary depending upon the number of students as per school. Right? So let's start. We instruct the students in the following manner. Like, for example, in the chapter flowers, when we say roll number 1, the roll number 1 will stand. Then instead of saying present sir or present ma'am, she will be saying rose. Next, say roll number 2. Roll number 2 will stand, and instead of saying present sir, will say Jasmine. Right? So continue this activity until all the students get one chance. And yes, we can implement this idea for different lessons also. And when you start implementing theme based attendance in your curriculum, you will be noticing that you will be getting a lot of benefits from it. It's normally noticed that during attendance periods, students make lot of noise. They are very talkative. Isn't it right? So when we start implementing this innovation, they will become polite. They will become more respectful towards each other. They will be afraid that if they cannot say the word, what will happen to them? Next, it will also help in developing their critical thinking and decision making skills while responding as per the theme. They will also have a better understanding of the chapter. And when you start implementing this idea in your classroom, I am definitely sure that you will be getting a lot of benefits apart from the ones which are mentioned. We can achieve the following learning outcomes through the ZIIEI innovative idea while revising the chapter flowers. The students will be able to name familiar objects. They will be able to respond orally. That's all for the innovation idea. I hope you like this video. If you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel ZIIEI, and don't forget to download our ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from the Google Store. That's all for now. Thank you.